What if the only thing standing between your apartment and a luxury designer look isn't money, but a few design mistakes almost everyone makes? Stay with us until the end to discover simple upgrades that completely transform your space, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring interior design ideas every week. Maybe you've purchased beautiful furniture, added decorative accessories, and even followed popular interior design trends, yet your apartment still feels flat or uninspiring. The problem usually isn't the furniture itself. Instead, it's the lack of harmony between proportion, lighting, materials, and visual flow. Luxury isn't created by expensive objects, it emerges when every design element works together to create a calm, balanced, and intentional atmosphere. Before changing colors or buying new decor, take a moment to observe how your apartment actually functions. Luxury interiors rarely feel crowded because every piece has room to breathe. Rearranging furniture to improve circulation instantly creates a more open feeling. When pathways become clear and each area serves a distinct purpose, the apartment begins to feel thoughtfully designed rather than simply decorated. Sometimes removing one unnecessary chair creates a bigger impact than buying an expensive new sofa. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to the Ikigria channel. May all Ikigria friends soon have their dream home. One of the easiest ways to elevate an apartment is by simplifying its color story. Soft neutrals, warm whites, gentle taupes, muted grays, and earthy beiges naturally create visual harmony. Instead of filling every corner with contrasting colors, allow similar tones to flow throughout the space. This continuity makes rooms appear larger, calmer, and more expensive because the eye travels effortlessly without interruption. Many apartments rely entirely on bright ceiling lights, creating harsh shadows and a flat atmosphere. Luxury interiors, however, embrace layers of lighting. Combine ambient lighting with elegant table lamps, subtle wall sconces, and warm accent lighting to create depth. As evening arrives, these gentle layers transform ordinary rooms into inviting spaces that feel relaxing, intimate, and remarkably sophisticated without changing a single wall. Luxury is often experienced through texture rather than color. Imagine soft linen curtains filtering natural sunlight, a woven rug underfoot, smooth stone-inspired surfaces, velvet cushions, or natural wood finishes adding warmth. When different textures interact within a restrained color palette, the apartment gains character and richness without appearing busy. Your eyes become interested, while your mind experiences a sense of calm. Instead of filling every corner with decorative accessories, choose one or two pieces that naturally become focal points. A beautifully shaped coffee table, an oversized mirror, or an elegant armchair often creates more visual impact than dozens of small decorative objects. Luxury interiors embrace restraint, allowing carefully selected pieces to shine while giving the surrounding space room to breathe. Many people overlook curtains, yet they dramatically influence how luxurious a room feels. Hang curtains higher than the window frame and allow them to extend close to the floor. This simple adjustment visually increases ceiling height while creating graceful vertical lines. Selecting fabrics with gentle texture and soft draping instantly introduces elegance without requiring structural renovation or expensive remodeling. Mirrors are among the most effective tools for creating a premium apartment aesthetic. Positioned thoughtfully opposite windows or beside light sources, they multiply natural light and visually enlarge the room. Beyond making spaces appear bigger, mirrors also introduce a polished elegance that resembles carefully designed hotel suites and modern luxury residences. Luxury isn't about displaying everything you own. Instead, curate accessories that tell a quiet story. Stack beautiful books on a coffee table, place a ceramic vase with fresh greenery, display one sculptural object, and leave empty space around them. This intentional styling creates visual breathing room while making every decorative element feel more meaningful and carefully selected. plants instantly soften modern interiors while adding life and movement. Large leafy plants, delicate branches in glass vases, or fresh flowers introduce natural textures that beautifully balance sleek furniture and clean architectural lines. Even a modest apartment begins to feel more vibrant, welcoming, and emotionally comforting when nature becomes part of the design. Sometimes luxury reveals itself through details people barely notice consciously. Replacing outdated cabinet handles with modern finishes, upgrading light switch plates, coordinating hardware colors, or introducing matching picture frames creates subtle consistency throughout the apartment. These affordable improvements quietly communicate quality, making the entire space feel intentionally designed from corner to corner. Think about how you want your apartment to make you feel after a long day. Perhaps you want the living room to encourage relaxation, the dining area to inspire meaningful conversations, or your bedroom to become a peaceful sanctuary. Great interior design goes beyond appearance, it shapes emotions. When every design decision supports comfort and well-being, luxury becomes something you experience rather than simply observe. Now imagine stepping back into the apartment after applying these thoughtful changes. The rooms feel brighter, larger, calmer, and more cohesive. Natural light flows effortlessly across soft textures. Furniture appears intentionally arranged. Every detail contributes to a refined atmosphere that welcomes both residents and guests. What's remarkable is that none of these improvements required expensive renovations, only smarter design choices guided by purpose and balance. The most beautiful apartments aren't necessarily the most expensive ones. They are the spaces where thoughtful layouts, balanced colors, layered lighting, carefully chosen materials, and meaningful details come together to support everyday life. Interior design isn't simply about creating attractive rooms, it's about building an environment that brings comfort, confidence, and lasting joy every single day. Which of these affordable luxury design ideas would you try first in your own apartment, or do you have another favorite tip that completely transformed your space? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. watching. If you enjoyed these luxury apartment design ideas, you'll love the other interior design inspiration waiting for you on our channel. Click one of the videos on your screen, keep exploring beautiful spaces with us, and we'll see you in the next episode.